What's going on, guys? My name is Blake Connolly. Welcome to my channel and thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I got started in investing and what my portfolio looks like right now. I focus mainly on ETFs, so index funds like SPY, VOO, VGT. I am by no means an experienced trader. I don't really want anybody to take advice from these videos. This is really more for tracking my progress, showing you guys how I am doing and potentially how you could do as well, and educating people as I educate myself. So I'm actually going to dive in and show you my portfolio. The broker I use is TD Ameritrade. Platform is Thinkorswim. If you actually want to place trades, you can use Thinkorswim to do that. There's plenty of videos out there how to use it. Let's go ahead and dive into my portfolio. I'm going to pull it up on my phone here. So here's my portfolio. So far, it is really red, right? Because we're going through all of the coronavirus scare right now. It's had a major impact on the stock market. All stocks are, for the most part, down. That's S&P 500, for example, is down like 12%. If we look at my balance history, I actually had quite a bit more than this a few weeks ago. I was at about $113,000 for my total account value. Right now I'm at $107,000, so I'm down roughly $6,000 since this all happened, right? Digging into my actual portfolio right now, it's very simple. I do have $107,000 in my account, but I'm not invested in 20 or 30 stocks technically, right? Apple is the only equity I hold. Apple is a company that I strongly believe in. I think they're doing great things. I think they're going to continue to grow. They had an awesome track record in 2019 for growth. VGT, VOO, those are both different index funds. So VGT is tracking technology companies. I think it's the top 50 technology companies. VOO is similar to SPY. They track the top 500 companies in the United States. So you really are diversified a lot more than what you would think. With VOO, you're diversified into 500 different companies. So it's basically like owning equity in 500 different companies. VGT, you're a little less diversified, but I'm a strong believer in tech and all the movements that are going on there. So I am pretty heavily invested in that as well. I have about 25% of my portfolio invested into. VOO is about 50%. And Apple is the remaining 25%. I have about $18,000 or $20,000 that's not actually invested right now, that's just sitting in this investment account. As the market is dipping and going down, I'm slowly buying up more. I didn't have invested like $40,000 or something, so almost every day of last week, I was buying at least $4,000 to $5,000 worth of ETFs, just because they were obviously on a downtrend. I'm a strong believer in that the market is obviously going down right now, but any long-term investor, this is a great buying opportunity for them. When it's down 12%, let's say you bought January 1st this year, you're probably going to be down the rest of the year. However, if you just bought at the dip like I did, you could recover your losses and take your average share price much lower, giving you the opportunity to make a lot more in the future. This is just kind of a brief overview of my portfolio, not really digging into too many specifics or anything, but that gives you an idea of what I'm invested in right now. It's not really too complex. I'm going to dive into index funds and ETFs in another video. So if you're curious about how those work, just stick around. I'll have plenty more videos covering that topic, and I'll teach you guys what index funds and ETFs are, so you can start maybe investing in them yourself. One of the big things going on right now is the coronavirus, and looking forward to the future, I'm starting to plan out what am I going to do. I have about $20,000 that's left in my trading account that I haven't put to use. And my opinion on it is that over the next week or 2 weeks, I feel like we will see the market go up a little bit and then dip back down. For example, yesterday we had a major growth portion of time, right? So one of the like the S&P 500, the VOO, VGT was up as well. I think 4 to 5% on each of those. Apple was up almost 8%. So that was a small period of major growth, right? I don't think we're going to see an instant rise to the top. So as we do see these dips coming in the next few weeks, I am going to continue to buy it up until I've washed out the remaining $20,000 in my account and continue to hold from there. I do want to get in the habit of posting bi-weekly or maybe even monthly updates on the portfolio to show you guys how I'm progressing, to show you how I can grow an account and how you could do the same as well. I know this is somewhat of a short video, but hopefully it helps you guys learn a little bit more about what I'm doing in the stock market right now. And in the future videos, we're going to talk about how you can do it as well. And also, I know there's going to be questions on this. How did I get a $110,000 balance in the first place? I'm not a day trader. I've only been an investor for 6 months. It's not like I just made all this money from trading stocks. Not at all. So in the future videos, we're going to talk more about my business, how I generate income, and how I've built a $110,000 stock portfolio. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.